second heartbeat to help us live. And what we gave in return wasn't too much to give. But now those storm clouds have darkened our day, and a little part of each of us is being washed away. The rain has come before the storm. Can we keep dry? Can we keep warm? So many people and so many stories, yeah. Each one of them as important as the last. Indecision seems to come along with those changes. Ever get that feeling that our better days are in the past? The rain has come, bringing on the storm. Will we keep dry? Will we keep warm? The roadhouse by the crossroads, that's what our shelter has become. A devil that watches laughing while we're dancing to a heartless drum. What will I do? Where will I go? We need an answer. So proud of our hopes and dreams, but the storm has forced us out to climb to higher ground, or so it seems. Even though we've always tried so hard to give our very best, all this rain is only making us all feel just like some unwanted guest. Feel the rain, it just keeps falling. The rain keeps coming. The rain has come, it just gets strong.